So we're just packing the car full of magazines, table, tent, a 3x3 meter tent fits in this thing, a whole bunch of boxes of books, t-shirts and hats, all fit in. Even the front, there's a 6-foot folding table fits in the front. Fits in the front of the car. Yeah, we're heading down to Cronulla for the Porsche Club New South Wales 70th Anniversary Concourse event for 2018. It's gonna be fun. Come along. Check out some of this footage from Sam, who's lent us his pictures to kind of illustrate this story. Check him out with the link below.
Noise you couldn't quite locate or explain. Noise you couldn't quite locate or explain.
Okay, it was a long day. Made it back. Great to get down there and see everyone, talk cars, and see everyone's enthusiasm for the Porsche, for Porsche, and just chat with everyone. It's cool to see everyone again, see everyone's faces, and tell stories, and just chew the fat. See some awesome cars. Great event put on by Porsche Club New South Wales and Porsche Cars Australia. 70th event. I think it was Porsche Sydney South taking the lead up here. It was awesome. Really good venue, really good event. It's probably the best one we've been to. And yeah, we're stoked. The car was going well. About 2-3 Ks from home. The clutch cable snapped. Yeah, which just kind of freaked me out. I was like, what am I going to do? And then I realized I can just turn the thing off and start it on the starter motor. So it's got a really strong starter motor in it, 2 batteries. So it got me home. I got into second before I thought of doing the starter motor thing. And I made it a long way, nearly all the way home before I had to stop at a traffic light. So luck was on my side. Anyway, get that all fixed up. Yeah, we're rock and rolling. Thanks so much, guys. See you later.
Noise you couldn't quite locate.